Hey guys, welcome back. So I made two snow globes. I don't know if I'm going to turn them into a card or a tag. I'm not sure yet. But I'm using this snow globe from KSCRAFTS. And you get all the pieces, which you could turn them into a shaker. But I used a half ornament. And that little trick I got from Anne, who's Crafty Kimchi. Let me see what else. Oh, it also comes with this piece here. So it goes like that. You cut all these pieces and then you can put that one there. And it also comes with this little, like this little square. Let's see if I can get it. Sorry for all the crinkling. Okay, this one here. Okay, so this is the snow globe. It's super cute. It's very easy. It cuts awesome. So you see, it comes with these pieces. I will put the link to this die in the description bar. And then the stitch frame, it's from Andy's shop. And it's this one right here. So you get a few pieces. And it also comes with the word that says amazing friend. So I love how it's stitched. So I'll also put that one in the description bar. So these are my cards. Well, tags. I haven't turned them into a card yet. But look how pretty. So you got the snow globe. I used the ornament. A half an ornament. Just glued it down. Added these little pearls. I don't know if I'm going to add more to this one. But I just thought she was so pretty. And I'm using the paper pad from Michaels. And it's this one here. And you see it's all little ballerinas. Super cute. And the paper pad itself has these pieces that you can fuzzy cut. So I used two of those for this one. And you see the two friends dancing. Isn't it cute? Super cute. And then I just did like a quick little tag. I don't have this die. I just cut a strip of paper and just did the little tails. So I need to get one of these, and maybe I do. I just gotta look for it. And then I did this bow out of this mesh right here that I bought from Allie. Comes with those little, like little diamonds stuck to it. And that's it. Just a quick little project share. So if you guys like snow globes, this is definitely one that you should get. Like I said, I'll put the links in the description bar. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.